Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by BeautyForeverHair. So thank you to BeautyForeverHair for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for tuning in. The color of the hair is 33B and it is a 13x4 lace frontal wig with baby hair. It is a body wig and it is a dark auburn color. It is human hair and it is 150 density. So the hair comes with these combs, as you guys can see here on the video, and it has baby hairs, as I've mentioned. It is also pre-plucked for you, so that is perfect. That is what I also love about this wig, and that is perfect for me because I do not like working before putting on my wig. So pre-plucked wigs are the best for me and they work best. So that's what I also love about this wig. And this is a 24-inch. These are the goodies that the hair came with, and my favorite one has to be the hairband, the band that you usually use to put on your wig properly or to stuck it on properly. I have to say, this is actually the first time that I received this at BeautyForeverHair. Thank you very much for this. This is super considerate. I'm going in with my wax stick, you guys, and the blow dryer. I'm just giving my hair some love. I'm loving it, and I'm making sure that the front is laid properly and it is sleek, because I want the installation to look snatched and I want it to look proper. So I'm preparing my wig. I'm going in with my mousse, and I'm also going in with my oil, and I am also going in with my hot comb. I'm just making it sleek in front and flattening everything so that when I lay it, it is giving child. That is what we're going for over here. I actually curled the hair off camera, you guys, so if you'd love to see how I curl this hair and how I achieve this, comment down below. I'll do a separate video for this one. So let's go into the installation. Let's see how it goes. So over here, I'm just trying to identify if the wig fits me correctly, and I've seen that I need to cut the size because the wig looks a bit bigger for me. So I'm going in with the scissor. Just make sure that you don't cut too much when it comes to that. Just cut enough so that it fits your head perfectly. Today I'm going to make the installation much simpler, and I'm marking my head with my eyeliner. The reason why I'm doing that is because I want to be sure where I want to put it. I think it's much simpler for a beginner to understand. So you just mark where you want your wig to sit, then afterwards you can see where I want it to sit. It looks a bit dark for me, so I'm going to make it lighter because I don't want it to be transparent. If I don't make it lighter, then it's not going to look nice when the wig is on, so that's why I'm making it lighter. I'm going in with my ghost bond, you guys, and I'm going to section it, so I'll do it in 3 sections. So I'm starting with the front, and I'm applying my first layer of the ghost bond and drying it off, and then I'm going to go in with the second layer. Make sure that it is clear before you put on your wig. Make sure that it is clear, otherwise it won't look nice. So I'm going in with my second layer, and I'm also going to dry that off. That's what I'm going to do with other sections as well. You can already see that the installation looks proper, you guys, even before finishing properly with the installation. So I'm lifting up the wig on the parts that are lifting, and I'm putting on more ghost bond, and just make sure that that also dries off, and then you stick it on as well. So yeah, that is it for the ghost bond, and I'm going to go in with the second side as well. We are now done with the installation and we're going into baby hairs. So baby hairs, they kill me, child, they killed me, but I try my best as well when it comes to them. It is a practice. I guess I'm practicing and I think I'm getting better. I think I'm getting there and I'm getting better. So yeah, let's do them. Let's do the baby hairs and hopefully we do it perfectly. Let me know what you guys think about the baby hairs as well. We are done with the edges, you guys, and I think they're perfect, honestly. So I'm going in with my got to be spray and I'm applying it in the front section. The reason I'm applying it is just for extra protection so that the wig is stuck on properly. I'm also putting on my hairband. The reason I'm putting on the hairband is because I also want the hair to be stuck properly and to stick for long. So I'm gonna leave that on for about, let's say, 15 minutes or like 20 minutes. This is the final look, you guys. I think this hair is bomb. It is giving what it is supposed to give. I think it's actually the first time that I try other colors besides black and blonde as well. So this is a gorgeous color. I didn't even know that it would suit me, but the minute I put it on my head, I knew that it would suit me. So this is beautiful hair. The hair is stunning. It is bomb. It is giving what it is supposed to give. For those of you who would like to order this hair, I'll definitely leave a link in my description box for Beauty Forever Hair. So that is it, you guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Until next time, I will see you in my next upload. Cheers. Have a great day, great evening, or great morning. Bye.